Alright, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to enter this. Now, I did all the work, and I have that in the other video of me handwriting it out. Now, I can't do it in Aleks, so I have to do it separately in the one video, and then here's me entering the answers I got from my other work. It's a positive first term, so it goes upward. I got that part right. Now, the vertex, I have to type in the vertex, and from when I did it on the other sheet of paper, I got my vertex of 3/2, and then I got negative 37/4. Check. Okay, good. Now the x-intercepts. Now these are some ugly intercepts, so we got to be patient typing. There's 2 of them. Let me put the parentheses in here. Now the first one is going to be a terrible fraction. 15. So, lost my fraction for a second. 15 plus 185 over 10. Lost my parenthesis. Comma 0, close parenthesis. Start my other one. And then this is almost going to be the same thing, except it's 15 minus the square root of 185 all over 10, comma 0, close parenthesis, check. Okay. Now the y-intercept. The y-intercept we did from the other page is just 0, 2. Oops. Check. Okay, now we got to sketch the function. So we always have to plot the vertex first. And so what we do is we have this little plot function. So I click on that, plot a point anywhere. So the point I want to plot is 3/2 negative 37/4. And then I click plot point. And there it is. It's right there on the graph here. Now my other point I'm going to plot is the y-intercept. 0, 2. Plot the point. Alrighty. So now I've plotted the 2 points, what I need for my vertex. So now I'm going to use my vertex tool. And the first thing it says, placing the vertex. The vertex is at negative 37/4. So I go to that point and I click. Now how do I pick it? It's not open side, it's open it up. So I click up. And then I click my y-intercept. I check. And I got my graph correct. Determine the axis of symmetry. That is just x equals the x value in the vertex, which is 3/2. Okay. The function k, since it opened upwards, it has a minimum. And the minimum value of k is negative 37/4. Okay. In interval notation, the domain is always everything in these questions so far. Now the interval notation of the range, now it goes to a minimum, so we can do this, we can use the bracket because the minimum is negative 37/4, and then the highest value is positive infinity, and we check, and that's how we entered all the questions. So I'm going to stop the video.